If you plan camping in a jungle or in a mountain, you need a minimum safety. So the best safety is high voltage electric phaser, which is purchased really very expensive. So today we will make it DIY more powerful and very cheap and very affordable. So how to make it? Let's get started. Safety shocker from the animals for the camping purpose. We using this arc generator 3.7 volt input and high voltage output like a plasma. So here is our type C 3.7 volt lithium ion charger. Okay, and 3 cells in parallel, push button, and here is the our wow, it is a really horrible. It can give a very good defense if you are camping in a jungle. Wow, you can see, amazing.